Rage on that beat, going crazy. Rage on that beat, going crazy. Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment if you like my hair. Rate it 1 through 10. And actually, you guys, I'm really gonna start posting on my other account. I am. Let me tell you guys, I already had videos made. It's just that they're not edited yet. You guys gotta keep waiting. Don't worry, they're coming.
Okay, they're coming, but to what channel though?
They're going to Cool Girl Charlie.
Okay.
And you're
gonna start. You said you're gonna start posting a lot.
Yeah,
so.
a lot. It's just I have 5 videos I edit right now.
Okay.
That's a lot.
That is a lot. Okay, so.
Okay. And thank you for watching.
Did you say your Roblox?
Oh, my Roblox is CharlieB0413. I only have 5 people able to be my friend because I'm almost out of spots because I'm almost at 200 friends.
Okay, so.
I have millions of friends.
You said 200 friends. It's not millions.
That is.
So do you have? Okay, so Roblox only allow you to have 200 friends?
Yeah.
Okay,
and I have 197.
Oh, okay.
So not even 5.
Okay, so you're close.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
I had to delete some people too, some random accounts.
Well, if they random, that's okay.
Yeah, so people, they deleted their accounts.
Oh, you don't have your earring on. Where's your earring? You missing one. You took it off?
Yeah.
It would be on the side that's out.
Yeah, because, yeah, I itched it and it fell out.
Oh, okay. You itched it.
Yeah,
you scratched.
I scratched my ear.
And it fell out.
I did this and it fell out.
Okay, so we gotta put that. We gotta put it back in.
Yeah, because it's all to this side.
Yeah, so we need to put your earring back.
Yes, and comment if you guys are left or right-handed because my left is out and my right has all the braids, but I'm left-handed.
She is. She's the only left-handed person in this house, and we're all right-handed people.
Benji's left-handed.
Benji's a dog. You're funny. Okay, end your video, kid.
Bye.